Hello everyone, welcome back to GrumpyMan's reviews. Today we're looking at Fantaseal Tri-Suction Cup. It's got the GoPro ball head with it as well. That's the packaging. Some information at the back. Tells you you could use it for DSLRs, camcorder, action cams. And the thing with this is you've got to use it on a dry surface. It says dry and clean the surface before. So like windows, windscreen, car bonnets. Let me open it. Let's see. Here is the Fantaseal Tri-Suction Cup mount. Taken out of the package. That's obviously the suction mount itself. Build quality, it's plastic, but I mean it's not flimsy or it's okay. They would simply obviously lock into place. That's the ball head mount. That's a standard mount. That's all it would fit onto any DSLR, camcorder, action cam and stuff. And it locks, that would lock into place or stop it moving. 2 screws, another bit there. So you'd simply put 1 screw at the bottom like so, and that simply just turn that around till it locks into place. Keep moving it till it's fully secure. Yeah, that's tight there. That's on tight, and then that would obviously, if you want to angle your camera that way or that way, and you just simply turn that and it'd lock in place. That screw is for that bit. The weather's really bad in the UK, as you can see outside. It's still snow and ice. So I were going to demonstrate on my car, but I can't. So I'll just show you on here. Now that ball head is really strong, so you've got no danger of dropping your camera or anything from there. You place it, give it a push obviously so it's secure, and then just lock it down. So that is on really secure now. I'm pulling it there. It's not moving. The door's moving, but that's not moving. It's a decent little product. I'll leave a link in the description box below. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.